Hello, hello, hello. What a beautiful orchestra. What a beautiful orchestra with so many birds. Oh, they all want to be on a video. Okay, lots of healing. Lots of healing. Specific times where they come. Yeah, I love you all so much. Conference calls, sunset. As well in the morning. There is another one. Look at them there. Amazing, isn't it? Some behind me here. Yeah, springtime. Love it's in the air. Love it's in the air. Love it's in the air. More are coming. Everyone is happy and free. Yes, 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 yes. Hope everyone had a great day. So much love all around. So much love all around. Pa 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 pa. Beautiful springtime. Yes, beautiful springtime. Mating time. Mating time. Blessings to you. May every and each of you find your true love. Eh? Do you ever wonder how they choose the partners for themselves, the birds? Hmm? Do they feel love? Of course they do. They come only around people that are nice, kind, loving. They communicate for those who want to hear. See? Beautiful. Cloud spaceships again. Heavens and earth, here and now. New Gaia. Yeah, aligning with our nature. Opening all the multidimensional portals for the pure and innocent ones. Have you ever wondered when you were a child about the clouds? Lots of love from Gaia. Lots of love. Look at this. Transforming the energies, yeah? So vacuuming the negative energies that had been purged here for some time and transforming them. And there's even heart there. Oh, I love you guys. Look at the Venusians. What a beautiful spaceships of it into the positive ones. There is another one on top. Sending it to the center sun in a form of neutral or positive energies. Everyone is happy because we are increasing the energies within our community. Yeah. Amazing life to us all. So have fun. Love you all so much. I hope you had an amazing day, because I did. And if not, it's always moment of now, next moment. Don't wait for tomorrow. Do it now. Raise your vibrations, create love, light, positivity. Blessings to you all, and healing to every and each of you. In life, it's amazing. Love you all so much. You are so amazing. Blessings.